This is the only rehearsal shoots, Stephen. So Stephen, tell me what is the today plan? Today plan.
Is the plan?
Today plan. Today plan.
I know.
Okay.
I haven't planned.
Can we- can
Only
we-
meditate.
Okay, only meditate. But it's the weather is, you can check the weather. The raining is going on. So where we do meditate?
I don't know.
It's a very, for meditation is the best place for there. But the raining is there. So the whole, we are prepared to meditate in open place, in the mountains, in the nearby river. So Bagmati river is there, the temple is there, vibe is good, energy is good, but the raining is there also. So it's not a right time to meditate. So we can wait for some time. So when the vibes are coming to us, so we automatically go to for a deep meditation. You got it?
Yes.
And today, what you teach me in Russian language? How you say? What do you say in meditation in Russian language?
Медитация. Медитация.
Meditation.
Медитация.
Meditation.
Да.
Meditation. Meditation.
Медитация.
Meditation. Meditation.
Медитация.
Meditation.
Медитация.
Meditation.
Не.
Ma.
Не.
Ma.
Медитация.
Meditacja. 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 Meditacja.